Hello, aspirants. I hope you all are doing great at your respective places. Welcome to Titanium IAS, your guide to cracking UPSC. In this video, we will discuss about the exam pattern of UPSC Civil Service Examination. So, first of all, I will give you some basic information about UPSC and Civil Service Examination. So, Civil Service Examination is India's toughest examination, which is conducted by a body named as Union Public Service Commission. In this exam, recruit for the post of IAS, IPS, IFS, and other services. It is taking the requirement annually. Basically, it's mean कि जो एग्ज़ाम होगा वो हर साल में एक बार होगा, बस ईयरली बेसिस पे होगा. Before we begin our main topic of exam pattern, I want to introduce one new series of Titanium IAS which is named as Prarambh series. This series are meant for the beginners only. In this series, we will cover all the basic points, concept and strategies. That include some topics like book list, how to read newspaper, etc. etc. Whether you just starting or need to revise the basics, Prarambh will be your go-to guide to understand UPSC exam in simple way. So subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any episode. Let's start. The civil service examination is conducted in three stages. First is prelims, second is mains, and third is interview. Prelims is a objective type of paper. Mains is descriptive type of paper, and interview is a personality test. Here, objective, descriptive basically mean prelims have questions like MCQ based, in which four option is given to you, and you have to mark correct one in their OMR sheet. And for mains, you have to write the answers in various format. And third is interview. Basically, it is personality test. So preliminary stage is first stage of civil service examination, in which two paper, both are multiple choice question with negative marking, are conducted. First paper is of general studies, second is of CSAT. For general studies paper, you have 100 question and each question carry 2 marks. Total constitute 200 marks, and you have to complete it in 2 hour or 120 minutes. It is basically merit in nature, and it cover the subjects like history, polity, geography, economy, environment, general science, current affair, etc. etc. And the second paper is of CSAT. Basically, this known as Civil Services Aptitude Test. In this paper, you have only 80 question, which constitute 200 marks. And this paper also have a timing of 2 hour. Only one difference is there. It is qualifying nature. You have to only score 33%. If you're not able to cross cut this cutoff, your notebook of general study will not be checked. So 33% of 200 marks is only 66 marks. So simple mean you have to score only 66 marks, minimum 66 marks in this exam. And this exam cover the topic like reasoning, maths, comprehension, decision making, etc. etc. Prelims is only for qualification. जो प्रीलिम्स के मार्क्स होंगे वो फाइनल लिस्ट में ऐड नहीं होते हैं. फाइनल लिस्ट में जो मार्क्स ऐड होते हैं वो होते हैं तुम्हारे मेंस के प्लस इंटरव्यू के. Second stage of UPSC civil service examination is mains stage. Basically, this stage will check your writing skills, understanding and knowledge. Contain 9 papers, or you can say that it has 9 paper. 4 paper of GS, 2 paper of optional, 1 paper of essay, and 2 paper of language. These 2 paper are qualifying in nature. The language paper are qualifying in nature. One English language is compulsory, and another language which is you have to select from the notification of UPSC CSC. And each GS paper and optional paper and essay paper are of 250 marks, in which you have to write answers of 150 words, 250 words, etc. And for the essay paper, you have to write essays of 1000 to 1200 words. And these total paper constitute of 1750 marks, which will add in your final mark sheet. Then after mains, you are sent to the interview stage, in which a panel of member is there which check your knowledge, decision making skills, leadership skills, etc. And as such, these marks of mains plus these marks of interview both total constitute final mark sheet, which is of 2025 marks. Interview plus mains, and this will add in your final mark sheet, after which a final list has been prepared and allotment of the cadre and the services is given to you after training at Labasta. And your final rank basically depend upon total score. The highest rank get IAS, IPS, IFS and other top services. These are the subject breakdown of mains papers. GS1 contains subject geography, history, art and culture, society and social issues. GS2 constitute of polity and constitution, governance, international relations, social justice. GS3 constitute of economy, agriculture and food security, science and tech, environment and ecology. And GS4 constitute of ethics, integrity and aptitude. Basically, a mains require practice. After that, some other tips which is from my side to you, that for prelims you have to focus on your accuracy and work on elimination technique. However, from past 2 years, elimination has been reduced significant in number, but it helped a lot in that paper. And for mains and interview, for mains you have to practice answer writing regular basis and improve your clarity, as well as this is most important, work on your neatness, because most of the aspirant does not have neatness in their answers. And for overall tip, I want to say that be consistent and revise regularly, because practice is a key to crack UPSC civil service examination. That's all about UPSC exam pattern. If you find helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification, and comment below if you have any question. Keep learning, stay motivated, and all the best for your UPSC journey. Titanium IAS is always for you. Thank you.